Hello there guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Droidbox Imxqpro version 1. Okay, so it's S905X, 8GB ROM, 1GB RAM, and recently been upgraded to Android 6.0. Check it out. Okay, so this is the Imxqpro. I thought this is as a 1GB box. It was not gonna, well, it wasn't supposed to impress me much. However, it did impress me a lot. It impressed me on the graphics, very much so. Check out the review on the benchmarks, which I will actually show you in a minute. And not to mention, this is an Android 6.0, so it's recently been upgraded. Now, in the previously, the 2016 version, it was actually a 5.11 Android. Now this is Android 6.0, which means that it was when it was upgraded, they've actually upgraded a lot of things about it. I think you should check out the benchmark that I've done. I've actually did not want to cut them out because I was so impressed with the way that the graphic was playing that I really liked it. So I recorded the whole graphic of the benchmarks. This video might be a little bit long, but I wanted to show you the whole thing. You'll see that the graphic does not cut. Only when it reaches a very high level, then it will actually cut. I mean, we're talking about what, maybe like 4K plus, but no. But apart from that, the gaming type of graphics was fantastic. So I'm gonna power this up and I'm gonna show you. The first thing that you will see as soon as the box boots up, it will ask you what type of launcher you want to use. Currently it's already selected. They use the Droidbox launcher. You can just select immediately always, and that's when I will actually just jump into the Droidbox launcher. So here you go. I've already set the time to say London. I can actually change that to a city that of my like, so I'm gonna set it back to London again. Now you've got very nice icons here at the front. First thing, we have the Droidbox Media Center, which is the DBMC. We have got the film on for live TV. Google Play Store. You got some favorites shortcut easily to access, but you don't have to have that. You can immediately go inside the apps in this button here, and you will be able to access all the applications. I will go through them in a second. You can clean the memory by clicking this button, and it will clean all the apps, basically closes them down and make sure that the 1GB RAM that you got in the box will be safe running. Okay. You've got also another button here for the Droidbox Market, which is a special market just for the Droidbox. You got the settings here, which is easily accessed from here. You can just click on settings, and I think I'm gonna go to settings right now just to show you what type of Android version this is. There you go, it's Android 6.01. You can come here to the sounds and either enable the system sound, Dolby sounds, depending on what you want, or digital sounds, how you want the digital sound to show up. You can say PCM, HDMI, SPDIF. Let's go check out the applications that's already installed. Right, there we go. Now you can see that I've actually installed a couple of applications of my own, but I'll go through some of them here. AirPin and AirLight, this actually helps you out for AirPlays. App install, browse, DBMC for Droidbox Media Center, which is like the Kodi or based on Kodi. Droidbox Control Center is very nice actually. What they do is they've enabled this to help out all the users. Very easy fix-it solutions. For example, if you want to go ahead and do a factory reset, you can come down here. You can remove apps, clean up apps, reset Kodi DBMC or SBMC, revert default skin. For Confluence, you can do it from here. Fix Kodi DBMC start failure, you can do it here. There is a quick support, which you can request quick support from Droidbox. They can actually connect your box. It went, of course, after you talk to them. You also have the Droidbox Market, which I showed you just a minute ago. There's an icon. You can go in there, basically download any and loads of different APKs that sometimes you can't even find on the Google Play Store. The ES File Explorer is very nice, programmed for downloading programs. File Browser, also the same thing as ES File Explorer, but the difference is the ES File Explorer, you can even browse websites before you can go and actually download. Film On is for live TV gallery. I'm not sure that you might be want to use that because you only have got 8GB ROM. I don't think that is a good idea for you to use this. IP Vanish is pre-installed as well. MX Player, Music, Movie Player, Miracast for mirrorcasting, of course, from your Samsung or Google Android phone. Now you have Kodi in here, and you have got, of course, DBMC in here, and they got a very nice addition here. That means you can run 2 Kodis at the same time. Now you got also a Kodi add-on updater, which means if you click in here, you can download pretty much a very nice set of add-ons which can help you out: Chinese, Spanish, English, French. You also have, like I said, the Play Store, the quick support for immediately somebody to connect to you, reboot, read logs, settings. Now you have 2 YouTube icons. One of them is the standard YouTube version, which allows you to access YouTube as if you are from your computer, and the other one is the YouTube for the smart devices, which is actually very unique. For example, running this version will actually cause you problems, during playback. And with this version, you can actually even run a 1080 or a high quality version. Welcome again to the Hasham Mamar YouTube channel, and I'm gonna ask you again, please press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. When you subscribe, make sure you also... Let's get on now with the benchmark. First, we're gonna start the Antutu benchmark test. The new Imxqpro version 1.2 scored 33,753. That is fantastic result for a 1GB RAM box. It did actually do very well. Okay, so I'm gonna run the iStrom Extreme benchmark. The Ice Storm Extreme scored 3,995. A very good score actually. Next we're going to run the Geek benchmark. Now this is actually the CPU benchmark. It's going to test the CPU here, and it's already detected the model AM Logic Imxqpro version 1.2, OS is Android 6.01, and ARM AM Logic 1.51 GHz is the CPU speed, and memory left is 818 megabytes out of the 1 GB of RAM. The score of 613 for a single core and 1691 multi-core. Okay guys, so now I'm going to test Kodi with some video testing.
We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're a jerk, Tom.
Look, Celia, we have to follow our passions. You have your robotics, and I just want to be awesome in space.
Why don't you just admit that you're freaked out by my robot hand?
I'm not freaked out by it's. All right, fine. I'm freaked out. I'm having nightmares that I'm being chased by these giant robotic claws.
Okay, so let's try now some 4K playback. My next test was going to be the 4K 3D. However, I wasn't able to play the 4K 3D at 60 frames per second. It was just not playing. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Droidbox Imxqpro. Don't forget, just like you saw my unboxing review, this is actually a bundle that I've got it with the remote control. You might want to get that because this is magic as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.